It is Tuesday, July 11th, and it was the start of Amazon Prime, but it was also the start of 10% additional off our entire semi-annual clearance sale. So don't miss it. It's on tomorrow as well. That's it, today and tomorrow. All right, if you want a little extra off on some great sale yarn, come get it. It'll be super. Central Carolina Yarn Crawl begins tomorrow. We have the passports here. There are 9 stores. I want you to make a plan. You have 5 days to get to all 9 stores. Every store has their own grand prize basket. So I want to show you ours. So this is our grand prize basket, which is huge and stuffed with so much good stuff. I'm sure it's well over several $100s. So all you have to do is come and visit Bella Filati, and you will be entered. If you put your little raffle ticket in the bucket, you will be entered into the drawing for our huge raffle basket or bucket or whatever it is. And it's a great little tub. You could wash a small dog in it. So there you go. It's always something good, right? All right. I think that's really all I have for today. It turned out to be a beautiful day. And it's so interesting. Echo, I'm sure you have those little things that you talk to. Well, anyway, we have Echo in the store because it's how we get our music through Pandora, etc. And she's been just irritable and just not paying attention and not staying on this week. And somehow today she got better. And so she played music all day. So that was a nice treat for us to not have to reprimand Echo all day. So
I'm not sure about that.
She's talking to me. You hear her? She knows I'm talking about her. All right. That's all I know for today. I will see you tomorrow. Come see us. Central Carolina Yarn Crawl starts tomorrow. And I have got stuff for you to come and see. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.